Welcome to Tong Ren Tang. 360 years ago, when founder established this beautiful name, he probably had never thought that today, Tong Ren Tang has grown into a huge and influential brand. It not only influenced the domestic market, but also globally. Today I'm here in Daxing. I'm going to have a beautiful tour. I had an appointment with my friend Zoe, and Zoe is going to show me a new concept store of TRT. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello, Zoe.
Hey, David.
Good to see you again.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It's my great honor to be here.
Yes.
And wow, this is such a fascinating, like a robot?
This is an intelligent drug vending machine here.
Oh, really? Vending machine.
You can come over here.
Yes.
I'll show you.
I'm actually looking for some like a honey. So you have a, yeah.
Oh, we also have some blind box. Do you want to choose one?
We have the blind box.
Yes.
Okay, so press the blind box. Oh, wow. So WeChat, just to scan that.
WeChat, Alipay, both okay.
Okay, so let me just check this one. Okay, cool. I'll make the payment.
So after that, the yellow robotic arm will selecting the targeted blind box.
So this is really like such a intelligent invention. I think, this is my first time to see this.
You may notice it has to check again. That is why our accuracy can reach 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Wow, that's awesome.
And the whole process of getting a product is within 1 minute, which is very efficient.
Well, I think this is really a practical thing, especially, at the night.
Yes.
Well, you don't get any real person to serve,
Exactly.
So you got kind of like a robot. Wow,
okay.
so you're coming up
this is
this
your
way.
blind box.
This is my blind box. Oh.
You can check what's inside.
What's inside? So is that like empty? I think the blind box is got like the air inside.
It's a coupon.
Oh, it's a coupon.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's see what's in there. Wow, 50% off.
For beauty treatment.
Oh.
For beauty treatment.
Wow. So I'm going to spend this one here, and the expiration day is it's October 31st.
Yes.
Wow. This is a little gift that I got from TRT. Wow. So besides this, what's else here?
Let's continue to visit.
Sure. So
the first floor of the Tong Ren Tang Zhi-Ma Health #0 store is the precise food therapy section.
Oh, wow. So what's your favorite?
Like the bread or herbal coffee and herbal tea.
Herbal tea. Wow.
Yes.
This is very traditional, right?
Do you want to have a try?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
This is tangerine ginger
Ginger.
tea.
Yes, good.
It's really suitable for this season in summer.
Okay, thank you. Well, I can taste the ginger.
Yes.
And what's this actually reserved for? Is it for like
it can warm your stomach.
Warm my stomach?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Wow, so this TRT is way different from the traditional one in downtown Beijing. So once I step into this place, I smell the technology, the science, and all innovation. Well, like the other TRT inside Beijing are very traditional one.
Yes.
Right? So what's the concept of everything like this here?
Here at Zhi-Ma Health, we advocate that eating healthy, living healthy.
Oh, living healthy. Wow.
Yes.
So TRT, actually the history of that is over 360 years old.
Yes.
And it's time-honored brand. But now, at the 21st century, and you just adopted a lot of like new concept.
So here is our fragrant bakery.
Wow, look at this.
The biggest features of our bakery is that no additives.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
And we sugar-free.
Sugar-free.
We use honey instead of sugar.
Instead of sugar. So I think this is really good for the senior citizens.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
And all the beautiful color of the bread comes from the color of natural herb. So they are very fresh, delicious, and healthy.
So this is really, impressed me. I'm going to spend some money later here and I can try some of this, right?
Try.
Yeah. So which one do you recommend?
This one, beef.
This one?
Ciabatta, yes.
Okay, let's try this. Ciabatta.
It's rich in protein, but low fat.
Low fat. And there is a certain, is it like, that's this one, right?
Yes.
Slancher. I think the slancher, beef, well, the other. Yes, I can feel this is really good. And personally speaking, I don't really like very greasy and too sweet thing. And this is perfectly just, meet my personal requirements.
Yes. So, besides, we also have herbal coffee. May come over here to have a try.
So I just think my visit here is not only a deep dive into a traditional Chinese herbal medicine drugstore, but also it's more or less like a fish tour, like a foodie tour in this place.
Yes. The herbal coffee, we have various types like the Goji latte, tangerine peel latte, a cinnamon latte, and the Momotica Gross Vinery Americano.
I think I will just take the Goji.
Goji
Yeah, for
latte.
Goji latte. Because I know Goji berry, this is it's kind of like a very interesting plant.
Combination.
Yeah, because it makes people young. I don't know if you've heard the story about, one day somebody saw a young woman.
Yes.
And she's beating an elderly lady. So then the guy just said, oh, stop doing that. You are not supposed to do it to the elderly people. But, the young person said, no, I'm her mother. Because I kept eating goji berry for so many years. That's why I look so young. Well, my daughter, she just didn't take it. That's why she was aging so fast. Yes, I think the goji latte will be the one that I'm going to take. So maybe I think after drinking that, I will be 10 years younger. Yes. Oh, I think that's my latte is ready. That's my goji berry latte. So let me just try this, and I will tell you how good tasted it will be. Oh, okay.
Goji berry is down here.
Oh yeah, we have a. Wow. Yeah, very. Tell me, do I look 1 year elder or 1 year younger? Wow, these are the
healthy wine.
The liquor, wine, and spirit.
It developed based on the characteristic of the health preservation in 4 seasons.
Oh, okay.
Namely those of the spring sprout, summer growth, autumn harvest, and winter storage.
Storage. Wow, that's the very, smart concept of the Chinese ancestors for thousands of years. So I think now we are stepping into the summer. So we are going to grow up.
So we can drink this jar of wine.
So actually, a lot of people, when people talk about TRT, their concept in their mind is the traditional like a little drawers in the wall, inside of which we got several like herbs.
Yes.
And also like the prescription by the doctors with the glasses. And maybe the third thing is the smell of the different herbs.
Yes.
So tell me how you feel about, here and the traditional one. Well, what is your feeling of such like a contrast? And what's the concept does, TRT want to bring to the people?
We want to bring the healthy concept awareness to everyone, to get through their lifestyle. So we have various products such as the herbal coffee, the bread, and herbal tea. So this is the difference between us to the TRT pharmacy company.
Okay. Then I just heard you also just got a place that you do some like activity. So for instance, if there are like children or some foreign visitors coming, they say, hey, I want to do some like immersive thing.
Yes.
So do you offer such like service here?
We can do the traditional Chinese medicine sachet.
Oh, medicine sachet.
Yes.
So am I allowed to do that now?
Of course.
Really? Okay, sure. Let's go. And I'm going to do the medical sachet.
This way.